In today's video, I will walk you through how to duplicate products in Shopify. Start by going to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're on the dashboard, look at the menu on the left-hand side of the screen and click on Products. This will open the section where all of your store's products are listed. After you arrive in the Products section, browse through your product list and locate the product that you want to duplicate. Once you've found the correct item, click directly on the product name. This will open the product details page, where you can view and manage all of the product information. With the product details page open, move to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll find a button labeled Duplicate. Click on the Duplicate button to begin creating a copy of the product. After selecting Duplicate, Shopify will prepare a copy of the existing product. The duplicated version will include the product information that already exists in the original listing. This includes product details, images, pricing information, and any variants associated with the product. Once the duplicate has been created, review the new product carefully. Check the product information and make any updates that are needed for the duplicated version. Go through the product description and adjust any details that should be different from the original product. If necessary, update any identifiers that need to be unique for the new listing. Review the images and confirm they are correct for the product you are creating. If changes are required, make those adjustments before publishing or making the product available. Next, check the pricing information and make any updates if the duplicated product requires a different price. If inventory details need to be changed, update those values as well. Continue reviewing the duplicated product until all of the information reflects the version you want to add to your store. Taking a moment to verify the details helps ensure that the new product listing is accurate. Once you have completed your edits, save any changes that were made to the duplicated product. That's all there is to it. Open the product section, select the product you want to copy, click the product name, choose Duplicate from the top right corner, review the duplicated listing, make any necessary changes, and save your updates. You have now successfully duplicated a product in Shopify and created a new listing based on an existing product. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.